guys. This activity is a science activity that is part of our weekly challenge. For those of you who are just checking in, I've started a weekly challenge. So it's not too late to start the challenge. You can catch up on Monday's activities and Tuesday's activities. As long as everything is completed by Friday, you will get a reward from me in the mail after the end of the week. So this is part of today's challenge, and it's a science activity. So I'm going to tell you the supplies that you need, and then I want you to pause the video to go get the supplies and then resume the video so that we can walk through the rest of this activity. It's probably best to ask your parents to make sure that it is okay to use these supplies. So here's what you need to have. You need to have a shallow pan or a dish of some kind, like a baking dish or a shallow frying pan, something like that. I am using a pie plate, and there is water in my dish, so your dish needs to be shallow and it needs to have some water. You also need some black pepper, just the kind of pepper that you use to sprinkle on your food when you're eating or cooking. It's just regular ground black pepper. And then you also need some dish soap. Any kind of dish soap is going to be fine. So right now, I need you to gather these materials, the pepper, the soap, and the shallow dish with water. So pause the video right now and go get your supplies, okay? Okay, so hopefully now you have your supplies. You have your dish with the water, you have your black pepper, and you have your dish soap. So step one for this activity is to sprinkle some of the black powder into your dish with water. So I'm doing that right now. You can do that right now. Sprinkle some pepper in there. Here's mine. Oopsie. Well, you can't see it very well, but believe me, there's pepper in there. There's some pepper in there. Okay, the next step is to just take your finger, your clean finger, and stick your finger in the water. Did anything happen? Anything exciting? Anything worth writing down? Probably not. Nothing really exciting happened there. All right, here's where we're going to see some action. Now I would like you to take a little bit of your dish soap, put it on your finger, and after you've got some dish soap on your finger, now I want you to put your finger in the pan of water. Did you see it? What happened then? Right now, I want you to comment under this post with what you noticed happened. Something exciting should have happened just now. So to get credit for this activity, you need to comment what happened. So you can do that in just a few minutes, or you can pause the video and do it right now. If you want to, that's fine. And then catch up with me and I will tell you why that super cool thing just happened. All right, so I can't wait to see what you wrote down as far as what happened there. Here is why that happened. So I don't know if my video is going to show very well or not. But what should have happened is that pepper that was all sprinkled in the water, when you put your finger with dish soap in it, the pepper kind of repelled and went to the edge of the dish. So water sticks together to create a bond, and it creates some surface tension, which is why the pepper just floats on top and it just kind of hangs out there. And when you put your clean, dry finger in the water, nothing exciting happened there. But the dish soap is kind of a special agent that breaks the tension of that water, which makes the pepper repel. That's why that did that, because your plain finger couldn't do it. but the dish soap was a special agent here that broke the tension of that water, so the pepper kind of wanted to move away from that dish soap. So pretty cool experiment. If you have some time later today, you can try this with other things. Maybe you want to try some other kinds of powders. Maybe you want to try some chili powder or taco seasoning or something like that to see if the same thing happens. That's up to you if you'd like to do that. You can try with warm water or cold water to see if that makes a difference. If you do that, I'd be interested to see what you find out from all of that. So remember, to get credit for this activity, make sure that you comment under the video what happened when you put the dish soap in the pan of peppered water. I hope you enjoyed this experiment, and I hope that you are enjoying this week's challenge, and check in tomorrow and Friday for the rest of this week's activities. And I hope that you guys are staying well and staying healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye.